This should be a relatively quick topic here as we move along and talk about something that has to do with costs, because that's a lot of what the finance topic is all about. But this chapter is called Incremental Degradation, and kind of sounds ominous. Incremental degradation. And I'll summarize it as just a steady march to mediocrity. And this is not really like a financial term or anything that you might have heard and you should be familiar with. It's just an interesting discussion about the search for profit margin and how profit-seeking behavior can cause companies or people to cut costs and make trade-offs, essentially. Maybe you're going to put a little bit less sugar in each of your nice lemonades that you're making. Maybe you buy kind of a lousier straw, and then maybe in a couple of weeks or a couple of months, you stop putting the nice little umbrella in the cup, and maybe you switch from sort of premium ice cubes to, I don't know, your home ice machine is gonna swap in, and it's no longer spring water that you're using to mix in with the lemons. All these little trade-offs that you make are incremental. They're small and individually, one at a time, probably don't make that big of a change, but taken as a whole, there is this trend toward degrading the overall value of your product. And talking about the balance between profit-seeking behavior, doing these things to cut costs and improve your profits, but overall diminishing the value of your product. So it's an interesting term, and I think it's useful to know what it means and to have it in your vocabulary, to throw it around. I think it's something that companies need to be aware of, and ultimately thinking about not taking all of the value, that the reason consumers buy your product, taking it out of the product just to seek short-term profit. So that's incremental degradation.